Hello, third graders. Welcome to our economics lesson today. So yesterday we learned about money and the word currency, and that currency was the form of money from each country. And today we're going to look specifically at the United States, Canada, Mexico, and the Caribbean. And we're going to kind of put it all together. So first we're going to start with those before questions. You're going to grab your economics questions and you're going to open up to page 29 to start with the United States currency. And then we're going to work our way through the before questions for Canada, Mexico, and the Caribbean. So remember, you may not know the answers to these. Do your best that you can. You're going to put true or false based off of what you think is the answer. So looking at United States currency in the before column, the first statement says, money in the United States is printed by the Treasury Department. If you think the Treasury Department prints our money, write true. If you don't, put false. Sentence 2 says, dollar bills are made out of paper so that they will not last very long. If you think we make our dollar bills out of paper so they don't last long, put true. If not, put false. All right, so those are our two questions on United States currency to think about. Go ahead and turn your paper over to Canadian currency. And we're going to answer these two true or false questions to get our brain thinking. So the first statement says, Canadian bills are different colors. If you think they're different colors, put true. If you're not sure, put false. Remember, this is just to get your brain thinking. The second statement says, all Canadian coins have a portrait of Queen Elizabeth on the back. If you think that all the Canadian coins have a picture of Queen Elizabeth, you're going to put true. If not, put false. All right, those are the two questions we're thinking about for Canada. Go ahead and move down to the Mexican currency questions, and we'll answer these two true or false statements. Statement 1 says, prices in Mexico are rounded up to the nearest 10 because Mexican money doesn't have a 1 centavo coin. So if you think they round up their money to the nearest 10, put true. If not, put false. Statement number 2 says, some Mexican bills are longer than other Mexican bills. Again, write true or false. You may not know the answer. Do the best you can. Some Mexican bills are longer than others. All right, you should have answered your two questions for Mexican currency, and now let's answer the two from the Caribbean currency section. So statement 1 says, the Caribbean uses the peso as its form of money. The Caribbean uses the peso as its form of money. If you think that's true, write true. If not, write false. Statement number 2 says some Caribbean money has a portrait of Queen Elizabeth on it. If you think that's true, put true. If you think it's false, write false. Some Caribbean money has a portrait of Queen Elizabeth on it. All right, you should have all of your before questions answered for United States, Canadian, Mexican, and Caribbean currency, and you will head to the lessons next.